For my last category, I chose water. This one actually surprisingly was the hardest for me to do. I hate to admit it, but I'm guilty of taking very long showers. Not too long, like 10, 15 minutes, but still much longer than needs to. After doing some research, I found in an average home, showers are typically the third largest water use after toilets and washing machines for clothes. The average shower hold faucet has an average flow rate of 2.1 gallons per minute. I came to find out that my 10 to 15 minute showers that I was taking every day was using anywhere between 21 gallons to up to 35 and a half gallons of water. By reducing the time it took for me to shower from 10 to 15 minutes to 3 to 5 minutes, I was able to save between 15 to 21 gallons per shower. Including both days, Monday and Wednesday, my total water saved, just by reducing my shower time, was anywhere between 30 to 42 gallons. This honestly shocked me a lot because I was able to put in perspective just how much water I was wasting by taking these longer showers.